Opening a TikTok shop and becoming both a seller and an affiliate for products on the platform is absolutely exploding, and apparently this is just the beginning of the opportunity.
And now I make about $70K a month on TikTok Shop.
I'm doing TikTok Shop for 2 years and I've made $12 million in sales.
I'm doing TikTok Shop for 2 years and I've done over $12 million in sales.
Now, when I first checked out these testimonial podcasts, I was a bit skeptical until I actually went over to TikTok and I started to check out the TikTok accounts of the people on these podcast episodes. Lo and behold, I found videos marketing products, millions upon millions of views, video after video after video. I then became so impressed and so obsessed with this idea. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the steps to show you guys how you can start and do the same. Are you guys ready? I hope so, because I am. Let's dive in. The very first step, if you have not done this already, is opening up your TikTok shop account. Now this does look a little bit different than opening up a normal TikTok account, and this can be found by going to the web address here on screen. I'm also going to have a direct link in the description box down below. Now there are two different types of TikTok shop accounts here that I want to distinguish between. There is the option here to open a TikTok shop seller account, which gives you access to the opportunity to sell and market your own products via video on the TikTok platform. So with this method, you can open up your own shop with something like a print-on-demand store through Gelato and connect it directly to your TikTok shop as your seller platform. This is great if you want to also market your products right away through free methods, which I actually just discussed in this video here. Now then there's the option to open up a TikTok shop creator account, and this is more for affiliate product videos. What you're really doing here is just applying to this with your regular TikTok account once you've met the guidelines. But in this complete guide, we're going to be going over how to actually bring in income with both options. I am also going to have timestamps in the description box down below. That way each section that I cover is down there. If you need to jump ahead, go back, you can do so by simply clicking the timestamp. What we're going to start out with is opening a seller account and selling your own products. All right, so first things first is go ahead and go through the steps of opening that seller account. You're going to include information such as your name, your shop name, the last four of your social security number if you're in the US, phone number, and a few other personal details just to begin. You're also going to be prompted to upload a clear and unedited photo of your valid ID just to verify you are who you say you are. After this, it should just take about an hour or two to let you know that you're approved and your new shop is open. That's how long it took for them to approve me. And then from there, you have the option to also link or open up a new TikTok account that's going to be associated with your new TikTok shop. So at this point, you should have both the TikTok shop account and an associated TikTok account where you can then create videos and tag your products. Okay, now here is where you all can see my TikTok shop. It's time to go in and actually upload some products. This can be a product that you personally have. This can be a product that you are thrifting and reselling for a profit. This can also be through my absolute favorite, which is print on demand. And for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys print on demand product upload. And I feel this is the easiest way to do it because you don't have to make the product. You don't have to buy a ton of inventory, store it up in boxes in your garage where it's overflowing, and you don't have to ship anything. So the print on demand platform that we're going to be using in this section is Gelato. The reason that I really like Gelato is because of their high quality products and the fact that they have production partners in over 32 countries. That means that if you sell in the USA, but a person purchases something and they live in London, they're going to get their product made and shipped from a facility in the UK. And that helps ensure everyone's getting their product in a really timely manner, and it's super important in today's world. Signing up with Gelato is also free to do. I do have a direct link in the description box down below. Once you click that and sign up for free, you're going to see this page here. And if you go over to the left, you can see the stores tab here. That's going to be where you're able to connect your new TikTok shop. So go ahead, just quickly follow the steps to connect your shop. And then now anything you create within Gelato will immediately get posted in your storefront on TikTok. So let's go ahead now and move into the creation of products. For this example, I created like a t-shirt brand centered around spiritual and mental growth. I'm going to show you all how easy this was for me to do, and you guys can follow along step by step. So the first step is going to be going to the product catalog and choosing the product that you want to sell. I chose, for for women, and then the t-shirt for women. And then this is the design studio, and it's where you're going to be able to design or place the design, text, logo, whatever it may be on your product. For my shirt example, I used just a simple text option that I created by searching on Pinterest for viral t-shirt trends. I used Canva actually to design this, but you guys can do a text-based design directly in Gelato, and the Gelato Plus subscription gets you access to all of the fonts that they offer, so you could create a design like this with all of the different fonts directly within Gelato. However you choose to do it, once the design is complete, you simply go through the prompts to upload it into your shop. The first one covers the mockups or the product listing photos. I love Gelato because they have great mockups already. However, if you want even better options, or there's like a specific design that you want to create, right? The Gelato Plus plan does give you access to both discounts on the product, which is really great, but also more options for mockups. So it gets you access to the magic mockups, which is sort of their AI that you can input a prompt and create a mock-up with just a prompt. So this is a really great option to create stunning mock-ups without having the physical product. After you do your mockups, you're going to then go through and set the pricing of your items. Go ahead and ensure the listing details are exactly where they need to be, and simply upload the product into your store. So once published, you guys can see here that in my TikTok account, the product is now there and available to purchase. Just a quick FYI, if you guys want to edit anything in your listing, you can actually do so directly within TikTok Shop. Right here, you can go in, edit anything within that specific listing that you want to edit. Now from there, you're going to want to just go in and continue to upload products to fill up your shop. I also highly advise ordering a few products of your own so that you can make those videos about your products. One of the good things about utilizing my link down below, it does get you access to 30% off your first order if you order within the first couple of days of opening up your shop. So that would be a great time to get a few products for yourself at a discounted rate to include in your videos. All right, once you have your TikTok shop open, you've got those products created and uploaded. Now it's time to make those short form videos to market the product and get those products out there and sold. The best part about this is the fact that TikTok shops are like a 2-in-1 platform. It's a seller platform and it's a marketing platform all in one. So from here, you can take any device that can record a vertical video and make videos about your product. Generally, each video will obviously differ depending on the exact product that you choose to sell, but the videos don't have to be long. They can even be around 15 seconds. A really general guideline for how to create those eye-catching videos for your product. First, your hook is everything, so those first couple of seconds determine 71% of whether someone keeps watching. I would suggest holding up the product, say something unexpected like, I didn't expect to pay $35 for a hoodie like this, and then jump into showing off the product. The second thing I would advise is try not to make it like an ad. There's actually research that shows that overly polished content actually underperforms on the TikTok platform. So from your phone, just try to make sure it has good lighting and just shoot wherever you are, because people actually buy because it feels real, not like a commercial. The third thing is show the product in action. Try it on. Show the fabric up close with your hands. Compare it to something else twice the price. Try to add text on screen and be honest about the fit, the fabric, the sizing, because 81% of TikTok users say that they use the platform to actually see real life product usage. So that is what your customer base is wanting. That honesty is what gets people to actually buy. And last thing, always say your call to action out loud. Don't just hope people can find the link or find the product. Just say it out loud naturally. This is linked below. Post as often as you can, test different hooks, and then track what is actually getting seen. Okay, now let's go ahead and move on into the TikTok Shop affiliate account and how you can do this. Let me preface here by saying that choosing the right product does not need to be overly complicated. I actually watched a podcast episode where the creator said that she started it because she knew that she could just start promoting products that she already had in her home. So literally just picking up a product that she uses and likes, making a short video video about it, showing herself using it and talking about the benefits, and now she's a millionaire. So yeah, the most important thing to note here is that you can literally get started with a product in your home or that you already use. In fact, I think that's probably the best way to start. Another method is to get the returnable samples, as you all can see right here, and that gets you access to some products that you may want to try on screen. Once you build up videos and get views on your content, brands are going to more than likely start reaching out to you to send you their product to try or pay you to try it. Either way, there are several ways to get started with this method. Keep in mind you can do all of the methods simultaneously. You have to have 1,000 followers on TikTok and you have to be over the age of 18 to start getting access to tagging affiliate products in your videos. With all of that being said, if you're someone who also wants to know which products are actually blowing up right now, which can get your videos pushed out and get you a lot of views faster, more followers faster, TikTok actually has built-in tools for this. They have their Creator Center, their Seller Starter X Center, and their search engine, and that can help you identify products with real demand, strong conversion potential, and viral momentum. So the TikTok Creative Center has a popular products section here that shows you guys what's trending in real time, so you can filter out by country or niche to create a short list of trending products with strong viral potential. Now the TikTok Shop Top Products tab lets you sort by conversion rate, sales volume, and category, and that gives you a list of items already proven with real buyers. Another free tactic is use TikTok search bar and type phrases like TikTok made me buy it, viral products, or TikTok shop haul to surface those videos with high engagement and trending items that users are actively searching for. Okay, now obviously it's time to go in and create those videos, and many of you probably are like, how do I create those videos? Now I asked myself the same thing, and after I was watching these podcasts, going in and looking up these accounts, looking up their videos and the ones that have 19 million views that made this girl $1 million in a month, I actually looked at some of them. They're not complicated. I went in and I kind of, just studied it. Most of the time they're just showing the product right away, right off the bat. They're showing the product and they're not doing anything special. They're not taking an entire production team, you guys. Seriously, anyone can replicate this kind of content. So as you all can see in this video right here with no sound, she's simply showcasing the product in real time, how it works for her, and she's being real with her content. It doesn't look overly polished. It looks real. If you want to check out her account or her podcast episode, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But you guys, this method is also something that I want to try for a few months and show you guys all my earnings. However, I'm extremely new. I don't have a TikTok account and I've never created a single video for TikTok. So that means I don't have any followers. If you guys want to see me do an I tried it video, I'm going to have my QR code here. You guys can just scan it. Give me a follow. If I get 1,000 followers, you guys, it can actually do that I tried it video. Now that you have the ins and the outs on how to get started with TikTok Shop, what are you guys going to do with this information? I want to encourage you to try something out for yourself. Persevere. See how you can succeed with some time and some effort towards a brighter future for you or whoever you have in your life. If you want to get started with Gelato, don't forget the link in my description box down below. Don't forget that if you order within the first couple of days of signing up, you're going to get 30% off your order. So that's a great time to order products. Go check them out. It's completely free to sign up. As always, if you find you have any questions after watching this, drop them in the comment section down below. And because this video is free, if you found this helpful at all, hit the like button down below. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support, and I do look forward to seeing you with my next business idea or amazing business tool in my next video. Bye bye.